Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's subscribe and save program. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're diving into how you can leverage Amazon's subscribe and save program to boost your sales and create a steady stream of repeat customers. Subscribe and save is a fantastic feature that allows customers to subscribe to regular deliveries of your products at a discounted price, which helps you build a loyal customer base and increase your overall sales volume. Here's how it works. When customers choose the subscribe and save option on your product listing, they're signing up to receive your product at regular intervals, like monthly or every few weeks, at a discounted rate. Amazon automatically handles the fulfillment, billing, and delivery, making it super convenient for both you and the customer. To get started with subscribe and save, first, ensure your products are eligible. Amazon typically requires items that are consumable and regularly reordered, like household essentials, health and beauty products, and pantry staples. If your products qualify, you can enroll them in the program through your Seller Central account. Once logged into Seller Central, navigate to the Growth tab and select Explore Programs and then choose Subscribe and Save. From there, you can enroll your eligible products. You'll also have the option to set up a discount percentage, typically 5% or 10%, to incentivize customers to subscribe. Remember, the discount you offer is critical as it needs to attract customers without cutting too deeply into your margins. After you've set everything up, monitor your subscribe and save subscriptions regularly. Check your inventory levels to ensure you can consistently fulfill these recurring orders and avoid running out of stock. It's also a good idea to review the program's performance and adjust your discount rates if necessary to keep it profitable. Using Amazon's subscribe and save program is a great way to build customer loyalty, increase the frequency of purchases, and create a reliable revenue stream. So if your products are eligible, consider giving it a try to see how it can enhance your business. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.